A morning walk. A morning walk is good for our health. It helps in keeping our bodies healthy and fit. Morning is the best time for a walk in a park or a garden. It is the only time when nature is at its best. In the morning, the air is very fresh and the atmosphere is calm. The green grass and trees look very beautiful. Birds sing and twitter. It is the time of sunrise. The dew drops on grass, flowers, and plants look like beautiful pieces of diamond. In the morning time, there is much fresh oxygen in the atmosphere. A morning walk is the best exercise for all age people and especially for old people. It helps to reduce obesity. A brisk walk always refreshes and invigorates.